In this video, I'll show you how to add random CSS classes to a paragraph. For this task, we'll start with a boilerplate HTML page with some Bootstrap 5 styles attached and served from a CDN. You'll also have a paragraph with the ID of the paragraph and some dummy text inside of it. And we'll then add a random array of CSS classes. So here's our code. First, let's see if this works. So initially when I refresh it, I get the "it works" notification, so the script is working correctly. So let's now start adding our implementation. First, I'm going to set an array of classes, and I'll set it to lead, bg-success, border, danger. So just some random Bootstrap 5 CSS classes, btn danger, then m-5, then display-1, then text-secondary, and display-2. Okay, now that we have this, I'll declare the addRandomClasses function. So function addRandomClasses, and this one will not take any inputs, and it will have the following body. So I'll say let p equals document.getElementById of the paragraph, and I'll set the attribute to class on this paragraph element, and it'll currently be empty. So now I can say let random selection, and I'll set it equal to classes array, and then inside of here I'll say math.ceil math.random multiplied with classes array.length -1, and under this I'll say console.log random selection, and finally I'll set the attribute here on the class attribute to the value of random selection. Finally, to make all of this work, I also need to set an interval. So let's do setInterval with a function that's going to invoke addRandomClasses, and it's going to do that every 1 second. Okay, so that's our full code now, and let's see if it works. I'll refresh this thing right here, and let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure that this is being served, so why is it not displaying anything? Okay, so we have the classes array which is not defined. So let's find this. Okay, so obviously this is the mistake that I made. Let's try it again. And this time, every 1 second is going to apply random CSS classes on my paragraph. Okay, so that's it for this exercise. I hope you liked it and learned something from it.